Hey guys, today we're going to be installing our Lasfit liners on this 2016 Colorado. This particular layout liners fits from 2015 to 2022 Colorados and GMC Canyons. Here, let's open the box. We can show you what's inside. Alright, so first thing would be our driver's side mats, passenger side, the second row. Alright, so let's show you the driver mats. First thing you see, of course, on all of our mats, tall walls, as mentioned on every other mat that we offer, is to ensure every water, every moisture, debris, dirt stays within the actual mats. Of course, all of our channels trap all the water in, everything gets trapped. You won't have to worry about any leakage going into your carpets. Another thing I would like to mention to you guys is, of course, everything is laser scanned, so you're going to have the right fitment for your vehicle. Aside from that, as everyone knows, all of our floor mats are made with TPE material, which is something very safe for baby skin. TPE is something used like in yoga mats, something that material is flexible. You don't have to worry about it ever ripping. It's pretty strong. Is the back end. So yeah, 2 locking tabs, which again on some Colorados, some will have them and some won't. If yours don't have it, no need to worry. All of our mats do have the spikes, and that's to ensure they stay on the actual carpets. So they won't move around, you won't have to have that issue. Aside from that, the rear end, you can tell all these end channels. This design is pretty much made for a lot of strength. You don't have to worry about these ever ripping on you. Due to the design that we made on these particular mat, well, on every mat that we offer, is for that same reason. To ensure that these will not rip, you could pull them, your dog could bite them, you will not have to worry about these ever ripping on you. All right, now let's do the passenger side mats. All laser scanned, so you're gonna cover as high as you can without getting your carpet dirty. If you have dirt, debris, moisture. Backside, same thing. Are designed to ensure strength. These are pretty strong. They will not come deformed. They will not have issues if it gets cold, if it gets hot. Right now it is pretty cold here in our particular area. It's about 35 degrees, and even then, very flexible. You won't have to, they won't get any stiff. They're pretty good. Now let's do the last piece, which is the one-hole piece, which I say the most important one, because this is where you're gonna have toddlers and maybe adults getting some dirt and debris in the back seats. Again, all laser scan, so as you can tell, these are gonna go into your seat rails and cover as much coverage as you could. The end channels to trap all the water and moisture. Debris, water, whatever you can, snow, it's all going to stay stuck within the mats. If, of course, they're dirty, you want to get them clean, remove them out, throw them out, rinse it down with water. They'll be brand new again. You don't have to worry about throwing any harsh chemicals, any type of degreasers, not needed, just water. They'll come clean. Head over to the back side. All the design here is for the strength to ensure the mat stays in place. As well, it has 2 pushing tabs. One's here and one is covering up by this paper. Again, some Colorados won't have them. If you don't have to worry about it, as they all come with the spikes. So they won't be moving around. Everything will stay in place. All right, that's pretty much all the details on the floor mats. Now let's get them installed and show you how they look on the Colorado. On the driver's side, of course, you do see those push clips, which is good. That means we're gonna be able to reuse or use our push clip to actually lock it in. Everything is lined up. Press it in. As you can tell, you have to give it a little push. There you go. Look at that. On the passenger side, again, you don't have the push clips. Some models will. This one does not. But again, you don't have to worry about it, as all of our mats do have the spikes. So that makes sure that remains in place. Push them down, and that's it. As you can tell right here, if the camera can kind of focus, our mat actually goes over the little hump here, which a lot of other mats don't, but ours does. All right, as you guys could tell, this particular vehicle on the back doesn't have any type of mats. So all you have to do is get our rear mats, slide in. And again, this is one big piece, so you're gonna have to work a little bit here. I'll get that side right now. Put in the rails. There you go. Perfect fitments. Just look at that. All right, guys. So now it's gonna be installed. Normally installation on this type of vehicle, most installs should be 5 minutes at most, 10 minutes. All right, guys. Well, thank you for watching this video. You now see how these mats look on the Colorado, which is the same for the Canyon 2015 to 2022 years. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, as it will help us to share more content with you guys. Thank you, and you have a great day.